Hello! In today's video I will show you how to char used oak barrel and prepare it for pouring my favorite drink, which is bourbon. Let's start. All accessories used in the video have been linked in the description, so if you are looking for an oak barrel or another item used in the video, you will find them below. The oak barrel has been unused for the last 2 years, and in its career it has produced rum, whiskey and slivovitz. During this time it gave off a lot of aromas, and in order to be able to use it again we have to char it. We will need a hammer and a punch or two hammers, a gas cylinder and a burner. Before we start, remember not to disassemble the barrel completely, because later you will have a trouble putting it back together. The individual staves of the barrel are matched to each other in the right order, so if you are not sure that you will do it right, number each element of the barrel. First, remove 3 metal clamps from the barrel. Then, we try to open the staves so that we can pull out the side element of the barrel, also called the bottom. The next step is to install the second outer clamp. We try to do all activities gently so that the whole barrel does not fall apart. When both clamps have been installed, the barrel should look like in the video. We are now sure that nothing will fall apart. Let's look inside the barrel and see how it looks from the inside after 4 years and 3 produced drinks. I will note at the beginning that at the time of purchase of the barrel, it was burned to a medium plus degree. As we can see in the video, the barrel is slightly darker in the inside, but it is not tanned properly. I don't know if it was like that from the beginning, or if it lost its original black color with the aging of 3 different drinks. In the photos, you can see how the barrel looks like, ready to be poured with bourbon. We will try to get the same effect with the gas burner. We connect the burner to the gas cylinder and start burning our barrel. We burn the inside of the barrel until it is completely black with delicate wood punctures. In order to shorten the aging of bourbon, you can smoke it harder, but be careful not to overdo it. Don't be afraid to slightly char the inside of the barrel. Jack Daniels, very popular in most countries, is after distillation filtered through charcoal made of maple wood, and only then it goes to the oak barrels. After the barrel is properly burned, pour water on the inside. You can see the effect in the video. Once the barrel has been properly burned, it should now be put back together. To do this, remove the clamp and open the staves so that the bottom of the barrel can be mounted. Remember to do it very carefully. Then we install the remaining clamps and assemble the barrel in such a way that all staves have an even, smooth connection with the adjacent staves. We can help with this with a hammer. The aroma that comes out of the barrel is incredible. You can feel the aroma of all the liquors that were aged in it, and all this is slightly spiced with a smoky, sweet vanilla scent. The barrel has stood unused for the last 2 years, so the next step is to seal it. First, fill the barrel with the warm water and leave it for 20 to 30 minutes. In the meantime, we soak the wooden tap in the water at the temperature of 70 degrees Celsius. After 30 minutes, we have to stick the tap into our barrel. We take a hammer and carefully drive the tap into the hole in the barrel, through a cloth or another piece of material. I have already mentioned it in my other films, and I will also say it in this one. Namely, if you are facing the purchase of the barrel, I recommend buying a barrel without any tap, just the barrel with one hole on the top. After mounting the tap into our barrel, we pour everything out of it and pour in water at the temperature of about 70 degrees Celsius into it and leave it like this for the next 24 hours. If after 24 hours water is still dripping from under the barrel, you need to put the clamps on it tighter and pour it again with the water at the temperature of about 70 degrees Celsius. For me, after 24 hours the barrel looks completely dry and nothing drips from it. Now it's time for the most pleasant part of the video, which is pouring the finished barrel with the favorite liquor. In my case, it's bourbon. You will find the recipe soon on this channel. If you like the video, leave the thumbs up and a comment. I also invite you to subscribe to my channel, which will help me create new interesting videos for you.